Hey guys, welcome.
Ooh, girl, you're shining like a Fifth Avenue diamond.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meghna in case you're new to my channel and are seeing me for the first time. So today's video is a huge life update. Like, it's really big. There are a couple of really big announcements that I wanna, share with you guys. Thought I'll make this video to get you guys up to date with what's happening. Please do watch it till the very end. I really want to share all of these things with you guys. So let's just get straight into the first announcement. So I don't know how many of you are aware of this, but I have a new YouTube channel. Yeah, that happened. It's a YouTube channel solely for my dance covers, and I've been wanting to do this since a long time. I've had so many of my friends and family tell me, you have a beauty channel, why don't you start a dance channel? Because that's what you do as a profession and that's what you really love doing. I don't know, I was just very scared to share that part of me for some weird reason. I'm just very scared of people's judgments and just conscious of people watching me dance for some weird reason, even though that's what I love doing. So I just, conquered that fear and was like, you know what, heck yeah, I'm gonna start my own dance channel. And I did. This happened actually 2 months back, but I'm announcing it only now because in my head I just somehow assumed that all my subscribers from this channel would know about it because I posted it on my Instagram and even in my community post, but not many see it. Even in that community post, only like, I don't know, 10-20 people saw it. And coming to Instagram, obviously I only have like around 3,000 followers, so maximum only those many people can see it, and I have like over 11,000 people here. So yeah, it just made more sense for me to announce it here. And I'm betting many of you didn't know that this channel existed. I've already posted 2 dance covers. Both are from the movie Kalank. One is Ghar More Pardesi and the other one is First Class. I will link both the videos, my channel, the playlist, whatever, here and in the description box. So please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. It's very humbling, honestly, to start from the very beginning, seeing 0 views, 1 view, 2 view, 1 subscriber, 20, 30, 50, 100 subscribers. It's very humbling, and I would just love to see all of you guys on that channel as well. Do support me. It would mean the world to me. I'm not even kidding. Like, I would love to see your comments on that channel saying that, #MegFam, been there for like couple of years, or actually 3-4 years since I've started this channel. And yeah, I will be posting a lot more content there, even though right now I think for the past almost a month I haven't posted any dance covers, but that's just because of the things that are happening in my life, which I will tell you right now. So yeah, coming to the second huge announcement and life update. Okay. So I am moving out, guys. Yeah, so it's so weird even saying it out loud. For those who are newly following my channel, you might be confused, but just to give a little backstory, so I used to live with my parents in Bangalore, and then because of dance commitments and rehearsals, I had to move away from my family and get my own apartment in the city, which is, closer to my dance classes and rehearsal spaces. It just made more sense for me, and even my family fully supported. I actually did a proper Q&A and gave more details about this, so I will link up that video if you wanna, know more about why I did what I did. So yeah, I've been living alone for almost 2 years now, actually. It's been an amazing experience, to be very honest. Like, I have learned so much in these 2 years. I pay my own bills. I know what BESCOM means. I know how much time it takes to freaking clean the entire house, to clean the kitchen, to clean the bathrooms, to do your own laundry. You learn to cook so many things, and it's exciting but also scary and overwhelming because there's just so much happening. You're a freelance dancer, you're also a YouTuber, there's no set schedule. So many things that you learn once you start living alone, and I really enjoyed living alone. But yeah, now I've come to a point in life where I've decided to move back to my parents' place and live with my family. So for those of you who are wondering why I've taken this big major decision, it's basically because I re-evaluated my priorities and my goals and what I want out of life, and it just didn't make sense for me to live alone anymore. The reason why I shifted was for an initiative that me and my friends began. It was a dance company that all of us started out of pure love for dance, but that actually fell apart and it didn't go according to any of our plans, which is fine because even though that didn't work out, I still got to work and freelance and experience a lot of things that I wouldn't have if that dance company had worked out. So yeah, I just kept doing a lot of freelance work. I choreographed so many projects, I danced for so many projects and traveled a lot because of dance. And though all that has been amazing, like I wouldn't take a single moment of it back, it's just the way it was supposed to be, I just realized, I think in the past month or so, that my life goal, like my end life goal, doesn't align with what I'm doing right now. It just doesn't make sense. For me, I know I want to make my YouTube channel big. I know I want to start my own business, and I know I want to have my own dance YouTube channel, work really hard on it, and be a solo performer. Like, there's so many things that I want to do in life, but I just felt like the things I'm doing right now just doesn't align with what I really want. It just made more sense for me to move back with my family, because if I won't be dancing anymore professionally, I don't have the issue of, traveling 20-30 kilometers every day to go to my rehearsal space. Because if I'm not taking up dance professionally right now, I just don't have that much travel, right? So I can just stay at home, do my YouTube, shoot dance covers, learn dance, improve on my flexibility and strength so that I become a better performer. Those are my priorities right now. I want to completely focus on YouTube and improving myself as a dancer. It's funny how your entire life can change, like, in a moment, if you really reevaluate your priorities and your goals, and also thinking if what you're doing right now is in line with what you actually want to be achieving and doing in life. It sounds very simple, but it's profound at the same time, because people overlook this basic step of just taking a moment and thinking back as to why you're doing what you're doing. That why is very, very important, and I think people sort of undermine it and just keep doing, which is what happened with me in the past couple of years. I just kept doing this show, this choreography, that video, this shoot, that project. Like, I just kept doing, and I didn't take a moment to step back, think, and ask why I'm doing it, Okay, that got really deep. But yeah, so that's the major reason why I'm shifting back. Another life update is that I've actually started taking dance classes for kids like from 3 years to 12, 13. I have 2 batches currently, and I actually started this 2 months back. And the dance classes make even more sense with the decision of me moving back to my parents' apartment, because that's where I take the dance classes. That's like a steady source of income for me. It keeps me financially independent, and I don't want to be financially dependent ever. Like, I think since college, I've always been financially independent, more or less, and I'd like to keep it that way. So, which is why I'm taking these classes, to ensure that I do have a steady source of income, because there's no more professional dancing of me doing shows and choreographies where I get a certain amount of money. So yeah, I'm cancelling that entire part of my life and just replacing it with my dance classes, where there is a steady income, which makes me feel more confident about myself and, be more financially independent. In a way, you can say that I have left my professional dance career. Dance has always been part of my master plan, but I just realized that the way I went about it was wrong. Like, the method to go about that goal was wrong. I think the method is for me to actually focus on my dance channel and grow that, and then move forward from there. I have to work individually on myself as a dancer, which I won't be able to do if I'm taking up all these professional projects. Like, I really won't get any time to train my body, to challenge my body. So yeah, I have taken that conscious decision of saying no to professional dance projects. Now, the last thing I want to update you guys about my YouTube channel right here. If you guys haven't noticed already, I haven't been posting as much as I used to. I mean, let's be real, I hadn't been posting like since the last 2 months almost. Last 2 weeks I have been posting consistently, but if you noticed, I am posting only once a week, and that's because I did take that decision of posting once a week on Saturdays as opposed to posting twice a week, which I used to do. I know many of you will be like, what the heck? 2 videos was getting so hard for me considering my lifestyle, and I just hated not being consistent, like promising you guys to post 2 videos a week and then not posting even one. That just pained my heart. I just thought that it made more sense for me at this point in my life to upload only 1 video per week, because that's what I felt was more doable for me, more feasible. But more than that, there's also another reason why I took this decision of posting once a week. It's because I want to improve the general quality of my video. Now, I realized that the more I posted on my channel, like in terms of weekly content, the lesser the qualities of my videos got, like even in terms of shooting, in terms of how I got ready for a shoot, in terms of the general content, the editing, a lot to do with the editing, which is why I realized that if I commit to 1 video per week, I can commit to a good quality video. At the end of the day, I really need to be happy with the content I'm putting out. Otherwise, it's very easy for a content creator to get really burnt out. In fact, that's what you see happening on YouTube nowadays. Every content creator is getting burnt out, and I really don't want to reach that point. So I really want to post content that I am proud of and that I would love to share with you guys. To be fair, I will be posting one dance video on my dance channel every week. So that is 2 videos from my end that you guys will get to see. The only difference is one will be on my dance channel and one will be on this channel. So yeah, again, make sure you subscribe to my dance channel because I will be posting content weekly there as well. And talking about my channel, I really want to tell you guys about this. I've been very confused with what my niche, so to speak, has been since the past couple of years. I know when I initially started, my channel used to be called Meg DIY. If you've been following me since that time, I freaking love you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. I'm not even kidding. But yeah, my channel name was actually called Meg DIY because my entire channel was about DIYs. But then I really got bored of it. Very naturally, honestly, took a different direction of beauty, which became my niche at that point of time. And I posted a lot of makeup tutorials and beauty reviews, beauty hauls. When I did start posting a lot of beauty content on my channel, I was honestly very passionate about it. I was obsessed about it, and that's when really my madness with makeup started. I experimented with so much of makeup. I learned a lot of makeup, which I'm so grateful for because I wouldn't be able to do any of this if not for my crazy obsessive makeup days. But yeah, to be very honest, I'm past that phase. I love doing makeup. Even now I've done my makeup. I do enjoy it, but it's not something that I'm so passionate about that, I can make videos about, if that makes sense. I can't imagine me doing videos about different makeup looks and this smoky eye and that halo eye and that new brow product. It just doesn't come to me naturally, and it doesn't make sense for me to spend so much money on these beauty products just to do reviews and hauls when I myself am not very keen on purchasing those things, if that makes sense. Coming to my point, I'm so sorry, I've been actually rambling in this video. I actually ran a poll on my channel on my community tab. I honestly thought majority of it is going to be beauty, but majority of it was fashion, which I was shocked. I was really shocked to see the results at the end. Oh my god, it's making me laugh even thinking now. Because guys, I have never seen myself as a fashion influencer, even though I love fashion and I do post a lot of content. I have done fashion brand deals on my Instagram with lifestyle. It's not like I don't like it and I'm not passionate about it. I do love it and I've been passionate about it. But I've never been that confident about my fashion and my style to be all out and, make videos about it. I have done obviously fashion hauls, and I think that's what many of you meant while voting on it. I really need to be picking a topic and a niche that I make videos about. And I've decided to go with fashion because that's what all of you wanted. I am slowly discovering a style of my own, which is still in the process, and I'd love to share even that journey of, discovering my personal style. I'm actually planning a video on that, so let me know if you'd love to see a video on finding out your personal style and how you can do it. I started consciously implementing this since May onwards. So the first video was the online shopping haul video, and the second video, which is the previous video to this one, was my first time experience of shopping from shopclues.com, which was also shot and edited in a very different way. So if you haven't watched it, please do check it out. So I'm slowly transitioning into the fashion space. I will be doing lifestyle content. I feel fashion and lifestyle go really well together. You won't be seeing beauty videos from me anymore, no more makeup tutorials. But for any of you who do enjoy those videos as well, I do have some news for you. I will be posting all sorts of content on my IGTV. I will be doing mini vlogs there, cooking videos, lot of behind the scenes of my shoots, monthly favorites, small OOTDs, and also get ready with me's. The things that I can't do on this channel, this space will be mainly for fashion and lifestyle. I will be posting everything else that I still love and enjoy doing on my IGTV. So yep, with that we come to an end of this really long life update, but I really hope more things make sense to you guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving this video a big thumbs up. And also, of course, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, because the next video is going to be another fun haul video, and click on the notification bell as well so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every Saturday. I was going to say every Wednesday and Saturday, but no, It's every Saturday. And yeah, just I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting throughout these years. It means a lot to me. I don't think I've said that enough, but it really means a lot to me. And why am I getting emotional? Okay, I really don't want to cry. But yeah, thank you so much to each and every one of you who's always commented on all of my videos and just encouraged me and given me ideas and suggestions and have always gotten back to me whenever I've asked something, because that sort of engagement is what I want to grow, and that's what I'm aiming at. I'm not necessarily looking at so many thousand and lakhs of views and subscribers. I'm genuinely looking for engagement. I'm looking for conversations, things that all of us as a community can talk about. I'm honestly very blessed to have a very positive community. I love my Meg fam. It's the best. It's freaking the best. I love you guys, like from the bottom of my heart. I freaking love you guys. Okay, that's about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ooh, pretty baby, this world might have gone crazy. The way you saved me, who could blame me when I just